ような夜だけどどよめききらめきと君もとってもいいような夜だけど二人刻もうまだ止まった刻む針も入り浸った散らかる部屋も変わらないね思い出しては
Hi guys, it is June 22. It is 11:38 and I'm going to go to Punda to get my mom a birthday gift because tomorrow is her birthday. I'm putting in eye drops because this eye is hurting very bad and I don't know what's wrong with it. So this is my first time putting eye drops and I'm kind of scared. I don't see. This is me before I leave. I think I look so simple and cute. I'm kind of sad how my room looks because it's dirty and I can't be bothered to clean this right now. When I come back, I have to make my bed and clean up this. I know it's not a lot because my room is small. I don't like having a messy place, but I'm putting glue in my bag because I don't know if this slippers I'm wearing is gonna burst and that would be so freaking embarrassing. I'm gonna ask my mom for fair and then I'll leave out. Bye. Right now, the only thing I have left to get is a phone case for my new phone. So I'm going to the phone store and I don't know if I should get something to eat or not. I'm debating. I just got back and I'm eating the first thing I've eaten from morning, chicken patty, and this is gonna keep me for the day until I eat again. The first thing I'm eating is patty and it's 1:20 and I'm just eating. Isn't that sad? But I'm watching something. I'm gonna tidy up my room because I don't like being in a messy room. So I'm gonna tidy it up and then I'm gonna show you everything that I got. Damn, I'm so awkward. I know, you don't have to tell me. show you everything I got. So for my mom, I got this simple purse because she always wants to borrow my purses, and I think it would be nice for her to have this, like if she's going out to a simple event, to just have this on hand. It's super cute. It has a lot of storage, and I don't know if she'll like it, but if not, I don't know. I'm so afraid to buy gifts for people because I don't know if they will like it or not. And if they don't, that will make me so sad. So I prefer to like know exactly what you like. I also bought this anklet for myself. It's not stainless steel, but I'm gonna wear it until it... Wait, it says stainless steel. Let's see. I also bought a piece of cake. I'm gonna put a candle in it tomorrow and sing happy birthday to her. I also got a phone case for my new phone. As y'all know, I got a new phone from my dad. Thank you, Dad. And I finally got a phone case for it. There was only two choices for phone case, black or purple, so I picked this one. And I got some perfume. I got this one for myself, and I also got this for my mom, so a new perfume also. I was choosing between buying her slippers or perfume or a bag because I'm broke. I'm broke as the days come. And these are what I chose to buy. Right now, I'm going to the beach, so I'm going to change out of this and put on a bath suit. I have this easy purple bath suit, which I'm gonna put on with the purple two-piece. The bottom, I don't really like it, but I do like the top. So I'm thinking to wear this with my black bath suit bottom. I'm gonna see if it looks good and then get back to y'all. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep on these shorts and swim in it since we're walking, because to be honest, I don't like swimming in a full bath suit. I prefer having on the top, and I really like something that covers me up. So I'm gonna swim in these, and I'm gonna bring a bag because I'm hungry and I need a snack.
No, he should not.
Okay, so I just got home and I already took a shower, and I had so much fun at the beach. Like, I didn't know if I would because my eye is still hurting, but I had loads of fun. I really enjoyed it. It was me, my mom, both of my nephews, and my sister-in-law. It's very saying that I'm new to this, okay? But it was super duper fun and I really liked it. This is a perfume I'm gonna wear like when I'm going out, but since it's new and I actually want to see how I like it like on my skin for a while, I'm gonna put it on. This is normally not what I would put on if I'm going to bed. I'll put on like a body mist, but I'm gonna see how it smells. I really like the smell. I want to see how long it stays on me. So yeah, right now I'm gonna get get something to eat. I think my mom made jerk chicken and festival. So that's what I'm gonna eat. By the way, right now it's 8:21